Today's video I have a small SHEIN haul and try on. Everything was kindly sent to me in exchange for this video. So first of all, we have this beautiful two-piece set in a size small. For size reference, I am 5'2", about 112 pounds, 32 in the bust, 25 in the waist, 35 in the hips, and these fit me pretty much perfectly in a size small. So the back is made to be open with this interesting like band across the top. You can even wear it around the other way if you wanted to, maybe, if you could, if it doesn't like show anything. But yeah, this is such pretty fabric. It comes in a few other colors. I like how it kind of hides things, like my cellulite, for instance, because of the crinkles and the shine. This is just such a pretty like vacation outfit, especially, I think. And then here we have this top and short set, and it's made in this beautiful like crinkled fabric that kind of reminds me of linen. So here are the shorts, no pockets or anything like that, just an elastic waistband. These do have lining, so I don't think they're see-through or anything like that, which is also great. I'm going to come closer so you can see the texture of this fabric. So this has nice little pearl looking buttons, and you can button it all the way down. We have the same thing here on the cuffs. Nice V-neck with the collar. Definitely looks to me like beach resort wear, that type of thing. And you can wear these together or separate, so I think also very versatile. And here we have just a great summer basic, or a building block basic for your wardrobe. This thick tank top. I say thick because it feels a good quality. It's not like super thick or anything like that, but the quality just feels really nice and comfortable. I'm going to show the back too. It's kind of interesting. It comes in a little bit more here at the back, but yeah, it just feels like it's really sturdy and is going to last a long time, hopefully. This totally reminds me of the Afghans that my grandmother used to have on her couch. I love how this is becoming a lot more popular, but this just feels incredible. The quality feels amazing, and it feels, it just looks so pretty. I love all of these bright colors. I like that the sleeves aren't too long on me. This is in a size small, and I'm gonna come close so you can see all of these beautiful colors. Like, look at the pink right here in the sleeve. This is so much fun. Just the perfect like summer beach cover up or sweater, perfect for summer and spring, I think. So yeah, it's just plain on the back, nice like large open weave, so pretty, such a unique kind of like statement piece, I think. And then the last item that I'll show is a 4-pack set of these little crop tees in a size small. They are going to be so useful. So you can see these do have a ribbing in them, and they have kind of like the little lettuce hem. So cute, so useful as a summer or spring basic. You can even wear this in the fall and winter, I guess, depending on what you paired it with. But yeah, I really love this set. And here is the gray one, beautiful kind of like heather gray. I think the fabric just feels so nice and soft on these, and the neck is really stretchy. It's a high neck, as you can see, but really stretchy. And then we have this kind of dusty pink one that's so pretty. That's going to be especially useful, I think, for spring and summer. And then of course a t-shirt in basic white. So that is everything for today's SHEIN haul. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what was your favorite item in the comments.